What are you doing?
Nothing much. How about you?
Just thinking.
About what?
If I'm being honest, well, I just can't stop thinking about you. And honestly, I think I have a crush on you. And if I'm being honest, I've been lying here in my bed, my sheets still crusty from last night's solar session, thinking about you, sweaty, sticky, and reeking of my own desperate horniness. God, my heart races like my pulse and my throbbing cock. When I watch you, pinning you down, my body slick with sweat and spit, grinding until we're both panting and dripping. I want to bury my face in your pants after a long day, inhale that musky, tangy funk mixed with your skin's salty grime, then slobber all over you like a starving dog, licking up every bead of your sweat, trickling down to your ass crack. I love you so fucking much it makes me want to puke with lust. Let's make a mess that'll stain the mattress forever, you filthy goddess of my dirtiest dreams. Winky face emoji.
Okay. I kind of see you more as a friend.
Oh shit. I just sneezed on my phone and sent something to you. My bad,